Hello and welcome back to India Business Insights. Today we learn how India, a global hub for pharmaceuticals, has a robust patent law that shapes the landscape of drug innovation and accessibility. In the realm of pharmaceutical patents, India's laws prioritize a delicate balance between protecting intellectual property rights and ensuring widespread access to affordable medications. In this video, we'll discuss Pfizer, a pharmaceutical giant, and the legal challenges it faces in India related to its patents. We'll delve into the intricate realm of Indian patent law concerning pharmaceuticals, exploring its impact on innovation, accessibility, and global discussions in the pharmaceutical industry. In India, Pfizer faced significant challenges related to its patents, navigating the country's stringent laws aiming to balance intellectual property rights and public access to affordable medications. One notable case involved Pfizer's cancer drug Sutent, where the Indian Patent Office rejected the patent, citing insufficient evidence of enhanced efficacy, shedding light on India's strict criteria for patent approval. Amid the COVID 19 pandemic, Pfizer's vaccine sparked debates over patent waivers. Calls were made to share the vaccine formula and technology, especially in countries like India, to enhance global access to the life saving vaccine. These events spotlight the ongoing global discourse on pharmaceutical patents, the need for innovation incentives, and the crucial balance between encouraging progress and ensuring affordable healthcare access for all. To grasp the essence of the patent laws, let's take a closer look at their historical evolution. In the early 1970s, the Indian Patents Act emerged under the leadership of the Indira Gandhi government, aiming to provide greater access to affordable medicines for the impoverished within the country. This act, unique in its approach, granted recognition to process patents rather than product patents. India awarded patents not to specific drugs but to the methods used in their manufacturing, enabling local companies to engage in what was termed reverse engineering. This strategy allowed Indian drug manufacturers with minimal investment in research and development to produce similar drugs using different processes. As a result, new medications became available in the country at more accessible prices. However, as India sought to enhance its standing in the global market, the necessity to align with international trade agreements, notably the World Trade Organization, and the trade related aspects of intellectual property rights or TRIPS became evident. Consequently, amendments to the Indian Patents Act were introduced in 1999 and 2002. However, as India aimed to expand its presence in the global market and align with international trade agreements, particularly the TRIPS agreement, amendments to the existing patent laws became imperative. The urgency for further revisions arose, and in 2004, during the winter session of Parliament, an ordinance was passed on December 26, 2004, amending the Indian Patents Act. The Patents or Amendments Bill was later passed by both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha on March 22nd and March 23rd, 2005, respectively. On April 5th, 2005, the President signed the bill, making it a binding act of Parliament. The Patents Amendment Act of 2005 was a pivotal development in India's patent landscape. It aimed to bring the country's patent regulations in harmony with the TRIPS agreement, mandating stricter adherence to global intellectual property standards. This amendment marked a departure from the previous emphasis on process patents, opening avenues for product patents in various sectors, including pharmaceuticals. In India, the assessment of patent eligibility for pharmaceutical innovations hinges on critical sections of the Patents Act 1970, notably Section 2, Subsection 1, Clause J, Section 2, Subsection 1, Clause JA, and Section 3. Specific emphasis on Sections 3, Clause D, 3, Clause E, and 3, Clause I. Section 3 of the Patents Act outlines what doesn't qualify as inventions under the Act. The 2005 amendment aimed to prevent the evergreening of drug patents and allow patents for variants of chemical compounds exhibiting significant enhancements in therapeutic efficacy. Section 2, subsection 1, clause J of the Indian Patent Act 1970 elucidates an invention as a fresh product or process that embodies an inventive step and is viable for industrial application. Meanwhile, Section 2, subsection 1 and Clause JA of the Indian Patents Act 1970 characterizes an inventive step as a facet of an invention showcasing technological progression compared to existing knowledge or possessing economic significance or both, thereby making the invention non obvious to a skilled person in the field. Section 3, Clause D specifically addresses the patentability of known substances with established medicinal activity. It states that such substances won't qualify for a patent unless the invention can demonstrate a noteworthy improvement in therapeutic efficacy compared to the known compound. Contrary to common misconceptions, Section 3 Clause D doesn't pose a hurdle to patent pharmaceutical inventions. A landmark 2013 Supreme Court judgment on Novartis AG versus Union of India and ORS emphasized its role as a second tier standard for pharmaceutical patent eligibility, allowing genuine inventions while preventing repetitive or unjustified patent claims. The IPO, or the Indian Patent Office, meticulously adjudicates Section 3, Clause D, permitting applicants to providing additional data and experimental results during proceedings, even if not directly referenced in the application's specification, to substantiate the therapeutic efficacy of their inventions. Section 3, Clause E of the Patents Act states that a substance formed through a mere admixture, resulting only in the aggregation of component properties, or a process for producing such substance is not eligible for a patent. It's a fundamental tenet of patent law that the mere combination of existing components, each functioning independently, isn't patentable. However, when these elements interact to create a new or improved outcome, there exists patentable subject matter due to their working interrelation. In accordance with Section 3, Clause I of the Act, any process for treating humans or animals to eliminate disease or boost their economic value isn't considered an invention. However, patents can be obtained for surgical, therapeutic, or diagnostic instruments as well as the production of prostheses or artificial limbs. In the realm of pharmaceutical patents in India, Section 3, Clause D takes center stage. The provision clarified by both the IPO and Indian courts aims to ensure that for an invention to secure a patent for the second or subsequent use of a medicament, there must be an enhancement in therapeutic efficacy or the use of at least one new reactant in its manufacture. Recognizing the importance of aligning patent laws with global standards while safeguarding public health, the Indian Parliament amended Section 3, Clause D of the Act in 2005. The amendment aimed to achieve a delicate balance, ensuring compliance with TRIPS agreements while preventing adverse effects on public health and interests. These pivotal amendments reflect India's commitment to fostering innovation in the pharmaceutical sector while ensuring that patents granted are genuinely innovative and contribute significantly to the advancement of healthcare. The amendment to Section 3, Clause D of the Patents Act signifies India's stride toward harmonizing patent regulations with global standards, prioritizing public health and innovation within the pharmaceutical landscape. The Amendment Act of 2005 introduced product patents for pharmaceuticals, aligning India's patent system with global standards. This change meant that patents were no longer solely awarded for the manufacturing process, but also for the specific product themselves, providing protection for the developed drugs and innovations. It's essential to recognize the dynamic nature of patent laws and their impact on India's pharmaceutical industry. These legal transformations aim to strike a balance between promoting innovation, protecting intellectual property rights, and ensuring broader access to essential medicines. Unraveling the Pfizer Sutent patent saga, let's dive into legal complexities and pharmaceutical landscape. In the realm of pharmaceutical patents, the Pfizer Sutent case stands as a testament to the intricate interplay between innovation, patents, and access to life saving medications. Pfizer's pursuit to secure a patent for its cancer drug Sutent sparked a legal saga, eliminating the complexities within India's patent law landscape. The case unfolded as Pfizer sought patent protection for Sutent but faced legal challenges regarding the drug's patentability, setting the stage for a consequential legal confrontation. Let's delve deeper into the Pfizer Sutent patent case, uncovering its intricate legal details, its influence on patent laws, and its pivotal role within the pharmaceutical domain. India, a global hub for pharmaceuticals, has a robust patent law that shapes the landscape of drug innovation and accessibility. In the realm of pharmaceutical patents, India's law prioritizes a delicate balance between protecting intellectual property rights and ensuring widespread access to affordable medications. The Indian patent law demands stringent criteria for patent approval, emphasizing the need for innovation and demonstrable efficacy in the new drugs seeking patent protection. Pfizer's experiences navigating the Indian patent law shed light on the country's rigorous standards, as seen in cases like the rejection of the patent for their cancer drug Sutent. These instances spark conversations on the global stage, highlighting India's pivotal role in the debate on pharmaceutical patents, innovation incentives, and ensuring equitable access to life saving medicines. India's pharmaceutical patent regulations stand as a benchmark embodying the complex interplay between fostering innovation and safeguarding public health for a better tomorrow. Pfizer, a global pharmaceutical giant renowned for its innovative drugs, has found itself embroiled in various patent disputes within the complex landscape of India's legal and pharmaceutical realms. Over the years, Pfizer's pursuit to secure patents for its drugs has encountered several legal challenges and controversies, marking a compelling saga within India's patent law arena. These cases have not only shaped the dynamic of patentability, but also underscored the delicate balance between protecting intellectual property rights and ensuring access to essential medicines within the Indian market. In a significant legal development, CIPLA emerged victorious in a patent opposition case against Pfizer's cancer drug Sutent. The Delhi Patent Office's ruling invalidated Pfizer's patent for Sutent in India, citing the absence of an inventive step. The post grant opposition, led by Mumbai based CIPLA and Natco Pharma, successfully challenged Pfizer's claim to the patent, prompting the Indian Patent Office to reject Pfizer's assertion. Following this decision, Pfizer India expressed intentions to appeal the Patent Office's ruling before the Intellectual Property Appellate Board. The company underscored concerns over India's commitment to safeguard intellectual property. Pfizer India emphasized its commitment to defending the Sutent patent, citing the importance of protecting intellectual property rights while addressing challenges in cancer treatment affordability. The Pfizer Sutent patent case in India stands as a pivotal moment in the intersection of pharmaceutical innovation and patent law. At the heart of this legal dispute was Pfizer's quest to secure a patent for Sutent, a crucial cancer medication in India. However, the Indian Patent Office's rejection of Pfizer's application due to a lack of compelling evidence regarding the drug's enhanced efficacy sparked a landmark legal battle. This case brought to light the intricate balance between safeguarding intellectual property rights and ensuring accessibility to life saving medicines within India's patent system. The case revolved around Pfizer's attempt to secure a patent for its cancer drug Sutent in India. The Indian Patent Office initially rejected Pfizer's patent application, citing insufficient evidence to prove the drug's enhanced efficacy. Pfizer's application faced challenges primarily due to the stringent criteria set by India for patent approval, emphasizing the necessity for innovative features and demonstrable efficacy. Sutent, a vital drug in cancer therapy, was at the center of this patent dispute, highlighting the balance between safeguarding intellectual property rights and ensuring access to life saving medications. The legal battle continued, prompting extensive debates and discussions within the Indian legal system, pharmaceutical industry, and among healthcare advocates regarding the patentability criteria and access to essential medications. The patent opposition victory of CIPLA against Pfizer's Sutent reflects the intricate balance between intellectual property rights and the pursuit of affordable healthcare in India's pharmaceutical arena. The evolving landscape of patent disputes, including Natco's Pharma landmark win for India's first compulsory license over Bayer AG's cancer drug Nexavar, underscores the ongoing tension between patent protection and affordable access to life saving medications. Ultimately, the final judgment upheld the decision of the Indian Patent Office, affirming the rejection of Pfizer's patent application for Sutent in India. The case of Pfizer's Sutent patent exemplifies the complexities surrounding pharmaceutical patents in India, emphasizing the country's stringent standards and the continuous struggle to balance innovation and public access to crucial medications. In the fast evolving landscape of pharmaceutical innovation, patent law stands as a cornerstone, determining the boundaries of intellectual property rights and shaping the trajectory of groundbreaking medical discoveries. Let's navigate through the complexity of this patent dispute, examining its implications on vaccine research, the race for COVID 19 solutions, and the broader landscape of intellectual property within the pharmaceutical sphere. Moving on to the heated patent dispute between Moderna and Pfizer BioNTech concerning mRNA vaccine technology, the battleground of intellectual property rights has intensified. This legal clash revolves around the contested patents related to mRNA vaccine technology, marking a high stakes confrontation within the pharmaceutical sector. In this ongoing battle, Moderna alleges patent infringement by Pfizer BioNTech, highlighting the intricacies and competitive nature surrounding the mRNA vaccine innovation. The patent dispute between Moderna and Pfizer BioNTech over mRNA vaccine technology serves as a compelling testament to the pivotal role of patent law within the pharmaceutical industry. This legal tug of war not only highlights the intense competition among industry leaders but also underscores the criticality of patent rights in safeguarding proprietary advancements that contribute to the development of life saving treatments, particularly amidst the global fight against the COVID 19 pandemic. The outcome of this case is poised to reverberate across the pharmaceutical sphere, setting precedents and defining the contours of patent protection crucial for fostering innovation, accessibility, and the greater pursuit of public health worldwide. Facts of the case: the patent battle. Moderna alleged Pfizer BioNTech infringed three of its mRNA patents related to its Spikevax COVID 19 vaccine. Moderna's claims. Patent number 574 asserting exclusive rights to a specific mRNA modification. Patent number 600 claimed exclusive rights to mRNA encoding for the full length spike protein in a lipid nanoparticle formulation or LNP. Patent number 127 alleged exclusive rights to a method of administering mRNA encoding the full length spike protein in an LNP formulation. Pfizer and BioNTech's defense. Early discoveries cited foundational discoveries by Dr. Carico and Weissman predating Moderna's patent application. Moderna's awareness highlighted Moderna's acknowledgement and licensing of mRNA technology from Dr. Carico and Weissman's work. Patent overreach questioned the breadth and novelty of Moderna's patent claims, emphasizing prior knowledge about spike protein immunogenicity. Judgment delivered. Pfizer BioNTech's claims. First, lipid nanoparticles. Contended Moderna did not discover LNP technology, citing prior disclosures in patents. Second, encoding spike protein. Argued that the concept of encoded for the full length spike protein was known before Moderna's patent application. Enforceability of Moderna's patents. First, pledge revocation. Moderna pledged not to enforce patents amid the pandemic but revoked this pledge in 2022. Second, implied license. Pfizer BioNTech claimed Moderna by revoking its pledge granted an implied license to third parties. Third, government funding. Highlighted Moderna's non disclosure of significant government funding for vaccine development. The case delineates a complex web of claims, counterclaims, and assertions regarding the mRNA vaccine patents and their origins, potentially impacting the enforceability of Moderna's patents. Looking back, the varied legal cases and advancements we have discussed have wielded immense influence over India's pharmaceutical patent sphere. The journey from the inception of the Patents Act 1970 to its amendments, coupled with pivotal legal confrontations involving major industry players like Pfizer and CIPLA, has significantly molded India's patent framework in the pharmaceutical domain. The crucial amendments in 2005 were a testament to India's dedication to aligning with TRIPS compliance while ensuring continued access to vital medications, fostering an environment for innovation. The Pfizer Sutent case and the ongoing patent disputes featuring Moderna, Pfizer, and BioNTech vividly portray the intricate nature of patent rights within the pharmaceutical realm. These battles echo the delicate balancing act between safeguarding intellectual property and widening access to life saving therapies, settling benchmarks that will steer future patent decisions in India's pharmaceutical sector. Moreover, the legal verdicts and intricacies uncover the necessity for rigorous patent evaluation, emphasizing the need to safeguard genuine innovation while curbing excessive claims that could impede fair competition and drug affordability. The entwined narratives of intellectual property conflicts, patent commitments, and enforcement considerations have laid the groundwork for India's patent framework. It stresses the paramount importance of harmonizing innovation, public health concerns, and equitable access to medicines. In essence, these cases and legislative adaptations have significantly sculpted India's evolving pharmaceutical patent landscape, charting a course towards nurturing innovation, accessibility, and a balanced intellectual property environment for the collective welfare of the society. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about the big players in the pharmaceutical industry in India, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you stay updated every time we upload a new video. Until we catch you on the next one. Thank you.